Hey, second graders, time for handwriting. So you should have your handwriting book in hand. If not, get it. Get your handwriting book, page 94 and 95. 94 and 95. Usually I'll say it 3 or 4 times. And then somebody will say, what page? And then I'll ask the class, what page did I say? 94, 95. Okay, 94, 95, please. On 94, we are going to learn the letter V, as in victory, as in voice. I can talk with a low voice, or I can talk with a high voice. So talk with a funny voice right now. I wish I could hear you. All right. Before I start off with the V, if you look at your page, and if you're not there yet, pause it and then play it when you're ready. Look at your page. Up here at the top, here's the letter V. That's what it looks like. Okay, it has a check stroke. What other letters have a check stroke that we've learned? The letter O. Gosh, I can't remember them all. Can you guys help me out? The letter O, the letter V, the letter B, as in baseball. I think that's all of them. Anyway, all right. So you've seen how to make the letter V. And before I move on, I want you to read these words at the bottom of your page. The first one, V-I-N-E. What's that spell? Rockets. Wait a minute. That doesn't say rockets. It's vine. Vine, as in grapes grow on a vine. Tarzan swings from a vine. Do you guys know who Tarzan is? If you don't, your mom and dad will know. Ask them. Vine. And then voice. Love. L-O-V-E. Make sure you tell your mom and dad how much you love them. They need to hear it as much as you do. So tell them. Love. And this last one, G-I-V-E. Give. Give. All right. We're also going to learn the letter Z. Before we start with the letters, I want to go over the words. The letter Z looks like this. This is on the next page, page 95. Z. And if you know how to read the letter Z, I bet you can read this first word at the bottom of your page. Zoo. We saw a zebra at the zoo. Okay. The next one, Z-I-P-P-E-R. Chunk it out. Let's sound that out. Z-I-P-R. When you wear a coat, you need to zip up your zipper. And this one, S-I-Z-E. Size. What size shoes do you wear? And the last one, this is a letter F if you remember. F-U. Fuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy needed a haircut. Wait a minute, that's not how it goes. How does it go? I can hear some of you guys actually say it. I can hear it. I can hear your voices. All right. And yes, the voices have names. That's a funny statement I use. Okay, the letter V. We start at the baseline. We're back on page 94. Okay, watch up here, please. Before you start writing, please watch on your screen how to do this. You start at the baseline. You curve up until you get to the midline, and then curve kind of back the same direction. And then up, and then a check stroke. Okay, you can trace over those first ones. up, back, up, check stroke. Okay. Baseline to midline, back down to the baseline, up to the midline, and then check stroke. The letter V. Now notice since it has a check stroke, it works like the O and the B. So if I have V, please watch up here. If I have the V and then I connect into an A, it works the same way. All right? VA. So maybe trace over these first before you write them underneath. And then when we go into a V, it works just like all the other letters. So if I do the word give, G-I-V, check stroke into that E and then go back and dot your I. Give. Okay? So have some fun with those. You can complete that page. If you want, you can pause me and we'll do the Z's. So just press pause when you're done with the page. We'll do the Z's on the next page. So I'm erasing. We're going to do the letter Z. That's in zebra, zoo. Okay. Pause me, and then here we go. We're going to play now. The letter Z. Please watch here first before you do them. Okay, you start at the baseline. Just like the V, you curve up the same way and back down, just the same way. But then when you get here, you do a little up and then down and around. Down to the descender space and back up to the midline. Okay? So we'll do a Z, E. Now remember, guys, we don't do it like that. That almost looks like that doesn't look right, okay? Z. Okay, practice those. Make sure you practice lots of them. And then do the ones at the bottom. Now remember, you don't lift up your pencil. So when you do the word size, you do the S-I-Z-E, and then after you do that E at the end, you go back and dot your I. Just like we do the X's and the I's and the T's. We do the word first and then come back and dot them, cross them, slash them. So if you get those done for me, that would be fantastic. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you pause for a moment, we have done every single lowercase cursive letter. So you can write them all. You've done them all. I included in your packet this sheet right here. And this has all the cursive letters, capital and lowercase ones if you want to practice. I also included some pages if you want to practice some for fun. Or what might be fun is you could write a letter to mom and dad, thanking them for all the wonderful gifts they give you, all the things they do for you. You have a warm bed. You get fed good meals. So tell mom and dad thank you maybe in a little short letter. That would be fantastic. So that would be it for our handwriting. It for our Wednesday stuff. So have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. Wait till you see what I'm going to wear tomorrow. Stay tuned. See you tomorrow.